In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to enter a supplier credit note in Xero. This is useful when a supplier gives you a refund or credit and you need to keep your accounts accurate. First, open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, look at the top navigation menu and click on Purchases. From the drop-down menu, select Bills. You'll now see your supplier bills. Look at the top right corner and click on the arrow next to New Bill. From the menu that appears, select New Credit Note. A credit note form will now appear. Start by selecting the supplier from your contact list. Next, enter the credit note date and add the supplier's reference number if one is provided. Now, enter the credit note line items. Add a description, select the appropriate account or item, choose the correct tax rate, and enter the credit amount. Review all the line items and make sure the totals and tax calculations are correct. Once everything is accurate, click Approve. The credit note will now be recorded in Xero and your account's payable balance will be updated. You can then apply the credit against a future bill or handle it according to your arrangement with the supplier. And that's it. You've successfully entered a supplier credit note in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.